Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys 5 split screen templates that you can use for your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video here and I'm going to add this video on top. Go to mask and we're going to just split it halfway. To add in a line, you're just going to go to backgrounds and we're going to select the mirror one, rotate it, and that's our first one. The second one is I'm just going to grab this video and I'm just going to place it here, kind of like where the middle is. And I'm going to then place another video. I'm going to place it underneath though. This one. There we go. Trying to place that line in the middle as well here. Then I'm going to grab this line, copy and paste, and I'm going to rotate it. Okay, so we need to place this a little bit more down here. There we go. Actually, let me just switch in between these ones. And place that there, and then I'm gonna move this video a little bit further up. And if you don't like the line here, you can just right click, create compound clip, and then we're going to mask that to create a three picture mask. Then we're going to go and do the 4 one. So I'm actually going to remove the mask on each video real quick here. Okay, so let's adjust the position to where it is, and we're going to make them all 50%, like the size. And let's take one more video as well here and make it 50% in size. I'm also going to delete this first. Then I'm just going to place them at the edge of like each corner, like that. Then I'm going to add in the line again here. Copy and paste that and just rotate it. Okay, now we have this. And for the 4th one, we're just going to need 2 videos. So I'm just going to select this one and this one. Gonna make it kind of big, 100% again. And I'm going to place it kind of at the edge here. And I'm also going to scale it as usual, and I'm going to place it behind this video. Go to mask and select circle and create like a circle shape here. Copy and paste it, and actually don't copy and paste it. We're going to place a white background underneath, but we're going to then mask it again to create a frame. Try to be like as accurate as possible here, like that. Okay, and that would be the 4th one. For the 5th one, oops, let's just erase this mask. We are going to use the mirror one, and we're going to rotate that. So this one I want for the middle. Then I'm going to place that here behind that so I don't have to mask it again. Then I'm going to add another one to the left side, and I'll just place it behind like so. If there's like still stuff like this and you want to place it like that, just click on the horizontal one and just mask it again. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.